You know, I think the media is just funny. You know, there's some outlets that you may or may not like, depending on the dynamic. You know, what I've seen in recent weeks is I see the media saying, wow, rates are high, buyers are flooding and leaving the market, nobody's buying a house. And I've seen that, maybe you have as well. And then I'm looking at a bunch of listings that my team and I are selling in Southern California at the moment, and I have one that has 45 offers right now, one that has 37 offers, one that has 4 offers, all of which are selling within 7 days on the market. And I'm asking myself, well, these buyers aren't flooding away. So you got to take what the media is saying with a grain of salt. And you got to realize on the local level what's actually happening. Yes, the market is different. We all know that. Rates are as high as they've been in 22 years. Affordability is really a challenge. Yet at the end of the day, for what you want to do, whether you want to buy or sell, are you going to listen to the media, or are you going to talk to local professionals like us that are actually telling you what's happening really with listings and what's really happening with buyers? So just be cautious of what the media is saying, and then take the information and you do your own research that matters what you're going to do with your real estate goals.